Ayoko yan. Kawawa. Kawawa.
Araw ay gagawa ako ng bako pero DIY, hindi ganito. Laruan nito eh.
Try natin kung gaano katibay itong E7000 Super.
Forma ko noon.
Shout out to the old me, everything you showed me. Like you didn't listen when the world was trying to slow me.
Versus forma ko ngayon.
Dahil sa soap holder na to, hindi na-expose at mas hygienic na tignan yung lagayan namin ng sabon. May patuluan na rin yan nakasama kaya napakadaling linisan. Ito yung ginagamit naming sabunan noon at ito na ngayon yung in-order ko. May cover na siya tapos mayroon pa siyang dalawang lagayan. Ito yung bathroom soap holder na na-order ko. May dalawang lagayan ng sabon to kung magkaiba yung sabon na ginagamit nyo. May patuluan na rin yan kasi pwede mo itong magamit sa CR or pwede mo rin magamit sa lababo. May extra sabitan din yan at hindi mo na
Blox Fruits just updated and they finally released the fourth sea. So what you need to do is find a portal around the map. It's purple and walk inside and now you can enjoy the fourth sea. What do you guys think? 50,000 likes and I'll tell you.
Ball, thank you.
Blox Fruits just updated and they finally released the fourth sea. So what you need to do is